Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to create unlimited YouTube shorts. It's super easy. Please follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. The website that I'm going to use today, it is a revolutionary website where it uses AI to generate our YouTube shorts. It will also show the viral score, the relevancy score for our shorts. It will generate the title, it will generate the description, it will add subtitles to our video. It is truly a remarkable website where it will help us to get more views for our YouTube shorts. So let's go ahead to that website. It is called Opus Pro. Here, as you can see, one long video. You can insert one long format video and it will create up to 10 viral YouTube shorts. You can upload your own file if you have a file, or if you want to create a YouTube short from YouTube, you can drop the YouTube video link here. So let's go ahead and select our video. I'm going to choose this one. Click on copy. As you can see, there are some criteria for this website. You can see that we cannot use the vlogging type of videos, we cannot use gaming videos, we cannot use music videos, and there are only a few supported languages, for example English, German, Spanish, French and Portuguese. Other than that, any other language, it won't work. And the above three won't work. You can use podcasts, educational videos, commentaries, etc. We will have to click on Get Free Clips. It will open a new page and it will show you the estimation time, how much time will it take. As you can see here, we have to click on Get Clips in one click. We have to click on that. And as you can see, it will show us the time it will take for our long format video to turn into a YouTube short. We have to wait a few minutes and we have to come back and see what's the situation. After our AI has generated our YouTube shorts, it will send an email to you that your clips have been generated. Just like this one, it will show a notification and we have to click on View Clips, this button right here. Click on that. As you can see that Opus Clip has created our YouTube shorts from a long format video. You can see the viral score. As you can see,
I've been
and feel it, bro.
I've been on both sides.
Yeah.
So I don't think that I have to be right all the time. I don't think that I know everything.
as you can see here, it added subtitles, it will add emojis and many type of reaction emojis. It will add a lot of color to make your YouTube short more creative. As you can see, it generated a lot of shorts for us with every single different title. It also has, you can use every one of them if you like, with different title. As you can see, it added emojis. It generated up to 30, I believe. As you can see, if you go more down, you will find more. And if you think that your YouTube short lacks something, for example your logo, you can simply click on Edit Clip right here. You can go to Brands, and below here you can upload an image of your logo. It's that simple. You can change the font of the text, of the subtitles. If you don't like them, you can turn it bigger if you want to change it. It's all by default. You can change the font color. You can change the sizes of it. You can customize it to your own liking. So basically it generated our YouTube short from a long format video. I hope this video has helped you in creating unlimited YouTube shorts, and thank you for watching.